Today we'll learn how the RG Plast adhesive cans are manufactured. There are special suppliers of the raw material of this product. The sheets are having company names and have thickness of 0.5 millimeters. Before starting the production, wax is applied on the sheets so that the printed name doesn't get scratched while carrying out the production process. After the cutting, the sheets are taken to folding machine is manually operated machine. In this machine, after cutting, the sides of sheet is folded 2 to 3 millimeters opposite sides of sheet. After folding process, it is passing through rolling machine. In this machine it comes out with circular form. And make the plain metal plate into circular form where this sheet is putted in between two rollers. Side seam or locking machine. Locking machine is used to lock the sides of the body. The product is placed to the machine left and right side and it is joined by pulling it through hand and as a result it press. Jilling machine. The processed container after locking put into this machine and is pressed by handle to make the side of can little curved for punching process. It is a type of small speed lathe machine. A power press is a very useful machine used in mass production mainly for cold working of ductile materials such as mild steel. With the help of power press machine, lid of the cans are produced. After the production of lids are having sharp edges which is curved by using this machine is shown in video. Seaming machine. A can seamer is a machine used to seal the lid to the can body. The body is usually tin-plated steel while the bottom end can be of metal or plastic. The seam formed is generally leak-proof, but this depends on the product being canned. The is made by seam mechanically overlapping the two layers to form a hook. After the production of lids are lidded on the can and then it is packed and sent to required place where further process like filling of adhesive bandages are carries out.